Okay, this video is just to give you a quick description of your project you're working on next week. I call it a project because my intention in doing this was trying to create something as simple and straightforward as possible that would be a fun way to engage in class the last week before revisions, and an easy way to raise your grade and to connect with your psychology peers for one last time. Okay, so basically for the project, you'll be watching the movie Inside Out. Even if you've watched it before, I'm going to suggest watching it again. I'm going to be watching it for the third time next week. And the reason for this is just because now that you have experience as a psychology student, I think there are little parts of the movie that will stand out to you that you didn't notice before, just because now you know more psychology concepts. So it could be really interesting to watch again with this new lens. And I think that you'll still get something out of it, even if you've seen it before. Once you watch Inside Out, you're going to be engaging in one of two options. So the first option is I'm going to schedule a live video discussion on Friday. I don't know what time yet. I'm going to wait and survey you guys about what time works best. But there will be a live video discussion. I'm going to release some discussion questions ahead of time, and basically I'll just lead the discussion, ask the questions, and then you guys will take it away. And it will be just graded as an informal discussion about Inside Out and how it relates to different psychology concepts. If you can't make it to that scheduled Zoom call, then there's another option for the project, and that option is to create your own video. So this video could be you just answering those same discussion questions, discussing with someone in your family, or discussing with maybe another psychology student over FaceTime. You could record that conversation. The video could also be more of like an artistic representation of one of your own emotions, and how the character of your own emotion might react in a certain situation, kind of like in the movie Inside Out. And you also could do anything that I haven't mentioned here. Just run it by me first, and any kind of creative video representation showing that you watched the movie and then you related it to some psychology concept and made a video that is interesting and fun to watch. Okay. More details about the project next week. This is just to let you know what's coming. The project is not, again, the discussion won't be till next Friday, so you have all next week to watch the movie and prepare the discussion questions. Hopefully you're excited about this. Hopefully this feels like a good, relaxing post-AP week of instruction. And tell me what you think in the question below. And yeah, and let me know if you have any suggestions on or feedback on how to make this project better.